Hi, welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. My name is Heidi Harold. I'm a Public Services Librarian at Hamilton East Public Library. Today we are going to cook Sweet Pumpkin Rice Kasha from Budmo by Anna Voloshyna. This recipe calls for pumpkin or butternut squash. Since pumpkin is currently out of season, we are going to use 2 cups of butternut squash. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of golden raisins and 2 cups of water. Then we are going to bring this to a boil over a medium-high heat. And once it comes to a boil, we'll let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the squash can be pierced with a knife easily. So the squash has been simmering for about 10 minutes, and now I am going to add a half cup of medium grain rice, and this has been rinsed. Now I am going to add 1 1/3 cups of milk, two tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now I am going to let this simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's finished simmering, the rice is tender, we've removed it from the heat, and now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and then stir it in. And now you can ladle it into bowls and then top with some hazelnuts.